Hi there guys, Emmanuel here from empowermentteam.org, and you found this video because you're thinking to yourself affiliate marketing is a scam, and I understand where you're coming from, because a lot of people get to this point in their marketing journey where probably you yourself have tried something. You've tried a product, you've tried affiliate marketing. I'm talking about affiliate marketing, not pyramid marketing, not MLM and stuff like that. Affiliate marketing, where you sell other people's products and you get a commission from it. Now there's loads of claims that this is all a scam, yes? And the reason for that is because most people are told to do the wrong things. Yeah, a scam is something that's fraudulent. Yes, so a system can't be fraudulent if other people are making money from it. But you just think, so why aren't I making money from it then? Because you don't care about other people. You want to think, why aren't I personally making any money from it? Well, it's because a lot of the times you've been told the wrong information. What's probably happened in your journey, because it happened in mine, is you've seen some so-called guru out there who told you that you can make all this money in a week. Yeah, so you went and you started the program, and then they told you got to get traffic. So you get traffic and you send that traffic to the offer, and you think, right, okay, well, they told me I'm going to get this 50,000 in a week. I've sent the traffic. I'm waiting for my 50,000. Nothing happens. So then you go and send more traffic, and again, you send again, nothing. Then they say, right, listen, you're not positioned correctly. Just in case you do get that sale, you need to be positioned at the 5,000 or the 10,000 level, so that if that sale comes in, you're going to make your 10,000. This is how I made it. This is what you need to do. So you go and get positioned at the 10,000 level, send more traffic now, thinking, yeah, this is the one. Still no sales, still nothing. Yeah, until you get to the point where you think, this is a scam, I don't want nothing else to do with it. And then you go online and you tell people how you spent $20,000 and nothing came of it. So I get that. I understand that, because this is where a lot of people get to, and this is why everybody says, or a lot of people are saying, that affiliate marketing is a scam. It's not that it's a scam. There's two reasons that these things happen. One of them is the actual industry itself. Affiliate marketing has this kind of shady, I wouldn't even say shady, but unrealistic expectations. People think that you get into affiliate marketing because of all these claims out there. You get into affiliate marketing and you're going to be rich within a week. Yeah. Now, and you make all these massive commissions. Now, it can be done, but it depends on what level you're at. It's usually people that are at a certain level. They've been marketing for a while, and they have the power to do these things. They do have the power to do this. They can say, certain people in the industry, say someone like Russell Brunson, he's like a superstar in the affiliate marketing industry. If he said to people, he's probably got a massive lift. If he got traffic and he said, just go and buy this offer, it's going to cost you $5,000, but just buy it, people would rush to buy it because of who he is. However, if I said that, they'd be like, whoa, no, I'm not spending that. This is a scam. I'm not putting my hand in my pocket. You're joking. And probably the same with you. So we've got this thing about this industry where it's industry leaders telling you that you're going to make all this cash, but they forget to tell you that the reason that they can make all that cash is because they've been marketing for a while. They forget to tell you their backstory. They've been marketing for a long time. They have a big following. Either they've got a big following on email or on Facebook or on Instagram, whatever. They're an influencer. And when they say things, people jump to it and they do it because people trust them. So that's why it wouldn't work for you straight like that. What you got to do is have a little bit more realistic expectations. Yes, you can get to that. And one good thing about affiliate marketing, you can get to that quite quickly, but you still have to take the steps. So that's the first thing. All these industry claims that are realistic, but depending on what level you are. If you're a superstar in the industry, you can make that sort of money. You can make it very, very quickly. If you're not, if you're a beginner or you're an intermediate, then you have to have patience and you have to do these things gradually. And then the second thing is following bad training. Yes, I think there's a third thing as well, actually following an actual system that's crap. But second thing, is following bad training. Most people are told, this is this offer, it's great, it converts, which is true for a lot of them. Go and get traffic and send it to the system. So you do that, you get the traffic, you send it to the system, no sales. And then you do that again, like I was saying earlier on. What they don't tell you is that you can't just get traffic and send it to a system. You need to be able to get people's details. So you build that following, you build that list, and then you give that list value. You send them emails. You tell them more about the product. You tell them more about maybe yourself. You know, you tell them, you give them Facebook lives. You maybe do YouTube training. And eventually, over time, that value bit, we call it, you know, that value middle bit, that eventually, over time, they think, you know, yeah, maybe I trust this person. I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to give this a try. And then you get the sell. You know, so yeah, maybe you get the traffic. And then over time, maybe so you get the traffic over 2 to 3 weeks, then potentially then you get the sale. But even then, you just keep people buy in their time, not in your time. But as long as you just keep giving value, eventually you will. But I think it was Gary Vaynerchuk that just said, just keep giving value. Jab, 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 right hook. Jab, when he's talking about jab, he's talking about value. Yeah, and then you'll get the sales, you know. And then it's not that it's a scam, it just takes longer than these that people are telling you. It's not as shiny as they're telling you it is. And then the third thing could be that the product itself is crap. A lot of the times that's not really the case. Usually it's that the products make these really wild claims and then they get shut down. Yeah, and then everyone says, well, it was a scam. Well, it's not that it was a scam, it's just the claims are unrealistic for people for beginner level. Do you know, you might get the odd $1,000, $2,000 sale, but it's unrealistic for the beginner. Yes, and time with the value in time. Yes, when then people start to trust you, then they will start to buy on your recommendation. You know, you build your what we call your tribe, and then people think, yeah, if he tells me to buy it, I'm going to do it. Yeah, because they now trust you. It takes a bit more time. So I think that's where all these kind of scam claims come from. It's more from that. All this kind of shiny object stuff, all these things about you're going to be the best thing ever. And it's like, one last example. It's like, for example, if I said to you, listen, come and train with Roger Federer, the tennis champion, and in a week you're going to have his backhand. And then you go, you train with him, and then after the week, your backhand is still crap. They forgot to say, yeah, you're going to have his backhand, but not in a week. It's going to take time. It took him years to develop that. So you have to be patient. One good thing is affiliate marketing is quicker than most of these things, but you have to have that patience, you know, and you have to have that bit about the value series in the middle. You have to just keep consistent with that, and that's where most people don't want to do. They don't want to do that bit. You know, they can get somebody on their list. They don't want to keep giving value, doing videos, doing emails, doing this till they get the sale. That's where most people aren't bothered to do that. They just want to get the traffic, send it to the offer, and get the money come to them. It's very unrealistic, and then that is when most people start to say, look, this is all a scam, it doesn't work for me. And then they jump onto the next one, and then the same pattern's just going to keep happening. You know? So that's the solution, guys. It's not that affiliate marketing is a scam. It's a bit hyped up. So, you know, try not to listen to the hype. Know that there's going to be a little bit of work in it, but compared to most things, this is one of the quickest ways to actually earn online, I think, is affiliate marketing. Once you know where to get traffic, or you have a system that shows you where to get traffic, once you can do the value bit, or you have a system that's doing the value bit, you'll see the sales, but it will take a bit of time. You know, if you get someone into your list, it should 2-3 weeks, then you should be seeing sales from that person. So yeah. Anyway, listen, I hope that made sense. I hope you understood that. I hope you got some value from that. If you are interested in seeing the thing that I promote, my number one recommendation, and the reason that it is my number one recommendation is because of these things. Because it does the traffic for you, or they'll help you to do the traffic. That's something that affiliates struggle with. And because if you want, it does that value bit for you, that hard bit, I think, you know. They do send out the videos for you. They do write the nice copywritten emails for you. They do all of that for you. They do Facebook Lives that people can go to. Do you know what I mean? So they're doing all that value bit for you. And if they get a sale, it will still be, it's coded to you. So you still get the sale. No, they're doing the value bit, you get the sale. So that's why I like it. They do the hard work, you get the sale, you know, which is great. So if you're interested in seeing that, I'll leave a link below this. If you're watching this on YouTube, then I'm going to leave a link below, and you're going to get access to my 4-part video training as well. Yeah, so you get an extra bonus. I mean, if you're watching it on my website, then you're probably already on my list, and the link below will be straight to the number one recommendation. All right then guys, once again, hope you got some value from this. If you did, then take the time, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it with anyone else you think might get some value from it as well. And leave any comments as well, what you think, your views on this subject. All right then, till next time then, take care, speak soon, all the best.